the wife of Apostle Johnson Suleiman. Now, ordinarily, I don't like media appearances. But at this point, for the purpose of clarity, I will have to speak. Now, I have known my husband for the past 19 years. And if you are living with a man who is promiscuous or an adulterous person, you will know, especially if you are an intelligent and a smart woman. I have to speak because I wanted to now appear like it's a woman-to-woman talk. I have heard all kinds of rubbish and nonsense this lady has been talking about that has gone viral on the internet. That is not my husband. And let me quickly say this. For 19 years, I have been with my husband, even all through the years of courtship and in marriage. I have never for once have any problem whatsoever over a woman. We have never had issues over a woman. And then you can just imagine. And listen, for all the pictures that have been released, you can as well decide to send more pictures. Mind you, it will never and can never stop the real picture of my husband in my heart. Of course, you can see that the pictures released are photoshopped. By the grace of God, I'm a trained journalist, a mass communicator, and anybody who is good at graphics and is into photography should understand what I'm talking about. These pictures are fake. They are fake pictures. And so now, I want the issue, the problem with most Nigerians is that they are so gullible. They believe everything. They want to listen to everything. I'm coming out to say this just because of those that feel or think, oh, we are confused, we don't know what. That is not my husband. Please, if you are very good at photography, like I said, take a closer look at the photos. We are all planned out and they are all fake. Now, I also discovered, as a matter of fact, I've been the one checking out and following up everything that has been happening. As I speak to you right now, my husband is having a minister's conference. This is a man who fears God, a man who loves God, a man who is going after his father's business, the business of the things of the kingdom. He's always in the mission field. And then a lady will just come out and start saying all kinds of nonsense. And people who are so gullible will want to believe this. For 19 years, like I said, not for one day. If you are an intelligent woman, if you are a smart woman, there is no way a man will be living that kind of life, or probably maybe that is his lifestyle. There is no way a woman will not be able to dictate that. There is no way a woman will not be able to find out that this is the kind of life the husband is living. That's not my husband. Now listen, you people can send the kind of pictures. You can release even more pictures if you want to. But that will never change anything. It will never change my stand. It will never change the love that I have for my husband. He's a good man. The problem is that people just want to take advantage of his good attitude. He loves to give and he will never stop giving. He wants to make people happy. And my husband is somebody that will not see anybody cry out for any reason. He wants to help. And this, especially if the person is even a total stranger. And I also encourage him to give. He will never, listen, your good will never kill you. He will not stop giving. He will continue to give. So the fact that he has assisted one person and then the person will come out to say, this is just cheap black.
I was with you when you married your husband on Afro Introduction. You met him on the internet. A dating site. And not from your wedding. Your husband with a drink up and down like, what I don't know. I know, did you hear me say it? My dear, go and take care of your drunk husband and don't ever talk about me again. If you want to do PR for Johnson and leave me the hell alone. Johnson, if you do not bring letter of summon to Stella, then you are not ready. See your mouth like 1 billion. They talk the 1 billion. If you need money, just tell Nigerians, let them do a GoFund so that they can give you the. Even me, when they look for money, I'm not even desperate like this. I don't sue your ass for $100 billion. The pence you cost me. Do you think your miserable 10 million and 20 million you people were calling would do anything to me? You know, they see the money where they call. That's for me for taking care of things. So when I did there, they laugh. Yes, I'm going through it now. It's okay. It's for you guys to learn. I'm the face of the victims in the whole of Nollywood. All of them, they hide and they take out their bullets. It's okay. Shebi, when I don't see if I won't fight, when I'm ready to fight, where? As you see me, so I know they pursue people. I don't need friendship. You telling me one friend, this one saying I said this person. Number one, is it Tonto? I can never call Tonto's name in any nonsense because she didn't do anything to me. And anybody who says I said anything about Tonto to them, they are as a lie. Because
so wait,
will say, even if we are not pally, we are solid.
So she
in 1 minute I lose sick, 1 minute I don't lose sick. I don't understand. How do they want me to look? The way I look, is it not enough for you? How do you want me to look like Stella? No.
Okay, continue.
Yeah.
It has stopped.
Okay. So then I left them and she now said, oh, why am I angry? I said, oh, because my dad had stroke and I sent him a message that I need some money. If I need money, he's the person. I don't understand the beggy you're talking about. Stella, have I begged you for money? I want you to say it if I've begged you for money before. Since you call me beg, so that I will know who and who I have begged. And let me tell them that I am sorry that I didn't know that they don't beg in their village. I'm not a Dangote family, so obviously no matter how I have, I need to ask.
So when you asked him for this money, you asked him directly or through Stella?
No, she told me that you know what, just to make peace, because he told her that I'm going to be angry right now and probably I'm destroying some things right now. That's how I am. I like to destroy things that maybe now I'm angry. How would you assume I'm angry after this many years? You don't even know how I am right now. You are on WhatsApp with me and you can't turn your phone. Who are you feeling for? Maybe you Johnson again. Come out.
So now, if I understand what you're saying, so after the issue of the money,
and now left both of them. They now became best friends again.
Wow.
And removed me out of it.
What about the money?
What is going on? She said he's going to send you 5 million.
Okay.
And I said, okay, because I don't have anything to tell her, but okay. Since I already knew what she did, I sent her the message that it seemed like you played me and I fell into it. But I'm just happy that I brought them back together. Whether it's a lie or it's the truth. I brought them back together, which is just in this 2019? 2020. 2020, oh, during lockdown, oh. She used me to collect money for palliative, I wrote the column.
So he gave her 5 million, is that what you're saying?
Not me. Johnson told her, since he's ashamed now, you understand? He's ashamed that I heard what he said. What he said is in my story. You can watch it. What he said is in my story. It's an audio note. You know, he was insulting my mother. Because I asked for, he was insulting my father and my mother. I'm like, why would a pastor be insulting people? You are showing people that you give people money. Though most of them die, oh. I won't lie. All the people when you don't give money, where then they now? So even me ask him for money, self, you know, me to get as a bit. But then I didn't have anybody. Now he tell me no matter what, and I said it. Now instead I changed the thing. Then she now said he said he's going to send his 5 million. Blah blah blah. I said thank you. I left. I deleted his number from my phone. That one was right. I deleted it. So that I don't have to tell him what he said again. I don't want. So you understand, because this is about me. They are obviously trying to see where they will put me. You can hear them mentioning names and trying to fix me again in another thing. I know what I've gone through in my life. You cannot bring out people and say this is what I said and this is what I said. If I talk mad, if I like my talk, say 10 people do juju. If they not do, then they don't go talk, say them do.
Did he finally give you the 5 million?
He sent 2.5. She now said he sent 2.5 for. And I said thank you because I don't have anything to say. Somebody don't insult me. I told her no. She said no now. You can't do that now. You have to take it. But look at the way she said this. She said I was bombarding her. I was doing this, telling her to do that. Stella for waiting for just a matter. I can send him a message direct, you know. Highest, you know, go answer. Not be you introduce me to Rama. No, the way carry him. If you want to marry him, carry go. What's all this? Stella, what is it?